generally, long term, if we can get away with the artificial stuff. Well, it'll just be good all round for everything, environmental stuff, the whole lot. You take a lot of boxes.
The bigger picture is we want to be able to help Orkney turn into the first island using this biological model and eliminate the need for external resources and just help farms become much more sufficient.
Challenges for me at the moment, fertiliser would be a big cost. Buying in feed, everything's hauled in. Weather's a challenge. I've been on the board for Orkney Cheese for 2 years now. Yeah.
As a group of 12 farmers, if we can use a product that's going to reduce our nitrogen input significantly, then it's a massive win for us, massive win for us. And it's a massive win for consumers as well.